Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to change the administrator password on a Windows 11 PC. So, let's start. Here you can see my Windows version. At first, go to the Manage options, Form this PC. Now, click on Local User and Group. In Local User, you can see your all local user name, including administrator. Click the right button on administrator to set a password. Now type your password, and retype for confirm. After this, click on OK for Save Password. You can see some account and password settings on Properties. You can select these options as per your requirements. After this, click Apply and OK. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.